Clutch plate repair for Honda 125. Tips and tricks. The clutch plate is one of the most important parts of any motorcycle, and the Honda 125 is no exception. It is responsible for transferring power from the engine to the transmission, and allowing you to change gears smoothly. However, over time, the clutch plate can become worn out or damaged, causing problems like slipping, dragging, or difficulty shifting. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't worry. Repairing your Honda 125 clutch plate is a relatively simple task that you can do yourself with some basic tools and a bit of know-how. Here are some tips and tricks to help guide you through the process. 8. Diagnose the problem before you start tearing apart your clutch. It's important to diagnose the root cause of the issue. Is the clutch slipping, causing the engine to rev without accelerating? Or is it dragging, making it difficult to shift gears smoothly? Or are there any strange noises, vibrations, or smells coming from the clutch? Once you have identified the problem, you can then proceed to fix it by taking the appropriate steps below. Though, inspect the clutch plate. The first step in repairing your clutch plate is to inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. Remove the clutch cover and the clutch basket, the metal plate that surrounds the clutch assembly, and then remove the clutch plates and friction discs from the basket. Examine each plate and disc for signs of discoloration, cracking, warping, or abnormal wear patterns. If you notice any of these issues, you will need to replace the affected plates or discs. 10. Clean the clutch assembly. Once you have removed the clutch plates and discs, clean the entire assembly with a degreaser or brake cleaner to remove any dirt, debris, or oil buildup. This will help ensure that the new clutch plates have a clean and smooth surface to operate on. 4. Replace the damaged plates and discs. If you have identified any damaged or worn out clutch plates or friction discs, replace them with new ones. You can find replacement parts for your Honda 125 clutch at your local motorcycle dealer or online. Make sure to choose high quality OEM parts that are designed to fit your specific make and model. When replacing the plates and discs, make sure to install them in the correct order, following the manufacturer's instructions. Typically, the clutch plates will be installed first, followed by the friction discs, alternating between them until you have all the plates and discs in the clutch basket. 5. Reassemble the clutch assembly. Once you have replaced the damaged or worn out clutch plates and discs, reassemble the clutch assembly in the reverse order that you disassembled it. Make sure to torque all bolts and nuts to the proper specifications, and double check that everything is properly aligned and seated. Test the clutch. After reassembling the clutch, start up your Honda 125 and test it out. Check that the clutch engages and disengages smoothly, without slipping or dragging. Test out shifting through all gears and evaluate how smooth or stiff they feel. If the clutch is still giving you trouble, it may be time to seek professional help. However, by following these tips and tricks, you should be able to repair your Honda 125 clutch plate yourself and get your